Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the area of a circle. This is a fundamental concept in mathematics that helps us understand the space inside circular shapes. Before we calculate area, let's identify the important parts of a circle. The center is the middle point. The radius, represented by the letter r, is the distance from the center to the edge. The diameter, represented by d, is the total distance across the circle through the center. Remember, the diameter is always twice the length of the radius. So, what exactly is area? Area is the measurement of the two-dimensional space inside a boundary. Imagine filling the circle with small squares. The area represents the total number of these square units that can fit inside the circle. To calculate the area of a circle, we need a special number called pi. Pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It is an irrational number with infinite decimal places, but for most math problems, we approximate it to 3.14. Here is the formula for the area of a circle. Area equals pi times the radius squared. This means you take the radius, multiply it by itself, and then multiply the result by pi. It is crucial to remember that we only square the radius, not the pi. Let's visualize why this works. If we cut a circle into many small pizza slices and rearrange them, they form a shape that looks very similar to a rectangle. The height of this rectangle is the radius, and the width is half the circumference, or pi times radius. Multiplying height times width gives us pi times radius squared. Let's try a simple example. Suppose we have a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. First, we write down our formula. Next, we substitute 4 for the radius. We square the 4 to get 16. Finally, we multiply 3.14 by 16 to get an area of 50.24 square centimeters. What if you are given the diameter instead? Here, the diameter is 10 meters. The formula requires the radius, not the diameter. So, step 1 is to divide the diameter by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we can use the formula with a radius of 5. 5 squared is 25. 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5 square meters. Here are 2 important things to remember. First, always include your units. Since area is two-dimensional, your answer should be in square units, like square centimeters or square meters. Second, follow the order of operations. Always square the radius before you multiply by pi. To summarize today's lesson, area measures the space inside the circle. The formula is area equals pi times radius squared. Always ensure you are working with the radius and use 3.14 for pi. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.